EcoVisao is an environmental service and technology company that has experience from more than 1,000 projects in 14 countries on 4 continents. The EcoVisao team has developed an idea: BioEnergy, biogas energy recovery. In Africa, on the west coast, 2 small islands form the country São Tomé and Príncipe. There we found some small rural communities with potential to apply this idea in a pilot project. Energy access is a worldwide problem. Throughout the world, 1.3 billion people live without electricity. Almost 97% of those people live in sub-Saharan Africa or in developing countries in Asia. Around 3 billion people, almost 40% of the world's population, cook using biomass and coal. It is estimated that rural communities generate 25% of global CO2 emissions. That is more than emissions from all the cars, trains and planes in the world combined. More than 4 million people die prematurely every year because of inhaling the smoke produced by burning fuels for cooking, equivalent to twice the population of Paris. In sub-Saharan Africa, 200% more wood is used for cooking than the annual tree growth rate. With this project, we can produce biogas for lighting and for cooking using adapted stoves. Biogas is produced by recovering organic waste from humans, agriculture and animals in rural communities. How does it work? By adding this waste to an anaerobic digester free of oxygen, the organic matter decomposes and produces biogas. At the end of the process, part of it can also be used as fertilizer. We can produce 1 cubic meter of biogas from only 30 kilograms of animal waste. This is enough energy to cook for 2.5 hours or for 8 hours of continuous lighting. This creates an enormous amount of potential for the small rural communities involved in this project. Materials that would seem to be worthless can be used as replacements for fossil fuels and/or biomass. The proper deposition of this matter minimizes soil and water contamination in the area around the community. Simply replacing wood with biogas would allow women and children to carry out other activities. Recovering waste could mean a saving of more than 30% of a household's annual income. Best of all, anaerobic digesters can be built locally, using local materials, and therefore contribute to the local economy and job creation. This project is changing the lives of these small rural communities in São Tomé. And in the future, EcoVisao hopes to take this project to other communities in São Tomé and Príncipe, Africa and the world. Do you have an opportunity in this area you would like to explore?